Hey, Subaru Sarah here. I have a 2020 Subaru Outback touring model. I just wanted to show you how to be able to adjust your side mirrors and then show you a couple little buttons. Okay, so if your mirrors aren't sitting at the right spot, you just can come down here. This little toggle right here is actually in a locked mode. So if you turn it to either your left or your right, you'll be able to adjust your side mirror. So if you just use this as a little toggle, like a joystick, you can actually just move it and you'll see the mirror moving. Now with the touring model, this button up here is actually going to be your power folding mirrors. So you just hit that button and they will actually just fold in. Push it again and they'll fold right back out. You do have your automatic windows on all windows, so just a one touch up and down, and then your lock for all the other windows. You will have your power seats in here, memory seats for your touring model. Now since they did the redesign in 2020, they got rid of some of these buttons down here. So your main one's down here just for your hatch, to open up the hatch. If you hold that down, that will actually sound off the hazards, open up the back hatch. Same thing, you can just push that again and it'll shut it down. This is going to be for your brightness of your display in your inside when your lights are on, and then this is just going to turn off that hands-free lift gate. So stay tuned for some more. Thanks guys.